Why has the Supreme Court issued a ban on tiger safaris? Firstly, welcome to FPJ. This is Sneha Biswas, and today we'll shed light on the issue of Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. Why do you think the court has taken this decision? Hang on, I'll tell you. The move comes after the court's observation that the presence of tourists in the core areas is causing undue stress and disturbances to the tiger population. What do you think? What will be the impact of the ruling on common man? The answer is very simple. This ruling will eventually restrict tiger safaris to peripheral and buffer zones of the park. The court also strongly criticized former Uttarakhand Forest Minister Harak Singh Rawat and former Divisional Forest Officer Kishan Chand for permitting illegal construction and felling of trees within the Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve. The Apex Court directed the Central Bureau of Investigation to submit a status report on the matter within 3 months. The bench, led by Justice B.R. Gawai, condemned the officials for disregarding the public trust doctrine. They stated that officials had allowed the mass felling of trees for commercial purposes under the pretext of promoting tourism. The court also expressed astonishment at the audacity at flaunting statutory provisions. The Supreme Court also highlighted the detrimental nexus between politicians and forest officials, pointing out that it has resulted in significant environmental damage for personal and political gains. The decision aligns with the court's earlier stance in January, where it expressed reservations about keeping animals in cages at national parks and raised concerns about guidelines promoting tiger safaris in buffer and fringe areas of tiger reserves. For those unaware, the ruling comes following a petition filed by environmental activist Gaurav Bansal, who challenged the Uttarakhand government's proposal to establish a tiger safari and zoo with caged animals within the park. The decision is a significant one as it aims to promote the ecosystem and wildlife of the park, particularly the endangered tiger species. Are you happy with the decision, or do you feel tiger safaris should happen in other areas too? Shoot your views in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe our channel.